Why is everyone worrying about earning a passive income online? There is no need to worry more. I will tell you the best ways to make money and passive income. So, welcome to the Upstep Financial. If you want to build a lot of money, then this channel is for you. Before we continue, please take a moment, go down and smash the like button, and subscribe to connect with us. So, guys, making money whereas you sleep contains a beautiful ring to it. Earning passive income allows doing this. Earning money takes a lot of effort, but once they're set up, these ways can help you win as you sleep. If you want to earn passive income online, you need to initially spend at least a couple of hours per day building your online presence. But you should first know what passive income is. Passive income is characterized as income that requires minimal effort, or maybe indeed zero effort, to win. Passive income regularly empowers your cash to work for you. It's a work more brilliant, not harder situation. No matter the condition and stage of life you're in, creating passive income streams may be a savvy way to form your money work for you. Today's list is exhaustive by no means, but offers some ways to earn money online and passive income that have worked. Number 1. Invest in real estate. If you have the patience to hold up until home values in your region drop, purchasing a rental property can make great financial sense. But be aware that even if you are buying while values are discouraged, you'll not appreciate a positive return on investment right away. Furthermore, becoming a proprietor only works if you're willing to be on call when things go off base with the property, have cash put away into making needed repairs, and do not chase somebody down for rent. At best, this is often a semi-passive investment. Investing in an REIT real estate investment trust could be a passive investment. You've got the alternative of putting cash into an REIT, or indeed, into crowd-funded real estate. There are a few distinctive types of REITs, all of which permit you to connect with other investors in owning a piece of the real estate market. Like most investments, you should plan to let your cash work for at slightest 5 years. Number 2, start drop shipping. It seems that everyone is shopping online these days. Because of it, drop shipping has become very popular. What is drop shipping? It is where you create a site that advertises other companies' items. A buyer would order the item from your site, which is automatically set up to send the order to the product's manufacturer. Then the company that makes the item is responsible for shipping the item to the client. With drop shipping, you do not have to worry about carrying any inventory. You are simply a go-between of a client and a company that makes a profit. If you're interested in drop shipping, consider using a platform like Shopify to sell your digital products. Number 3, market your expertise. Do you know how to repair garage doors or clean a whole building using cheap, all-natural products? Share that information by making a YouTube channel, or composing an ebook, or starting a blog so others can learn your tips and tricks. Amazon will walk you through the steps of uploading your manuscript to their website, and you may gain cash each time someone downloads it to examine. You can earn money in a few different ways by sharing recordings on YouTube. If you connect your channel to AdSense, the cash you make is based on how many views your video gets. In case your channel gets to be prevalence sufficient, you'll offer advertisement time to sponsors. Blogging is monetized by selling personal advertisements and including affiliate links to your site. Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Upstep Financial to stay in the loop with our unique videos. And if we missed something important in the list so far, do comment us below. Keep watching. Number 4, rent out your space and stuff. Are you going to be away from home for a while? List your property as an Airbnb rental. The more prevalent your zone, the more you're likely to earn each time you rent this property out. If you have more houses than you use, consider renting out a room, bath, and kitchen benefits to a college student or young professional. If you have got gear people might need to rent, put an advertisement in a local paper or on your neighborhood site. Whether it's a rototiller, riding grass cutter, splash paint weapon, expansion stepping stool, platform, snowblower, or chainsaw, somebody is likely willing to pay per use. Number 5, open a high-yield savings account. This option would not make you rich, but it is a way to earn passive income with minimal risk. When you choose to open a high-yield account with an online bank, you often earn a higher interest rate than a traditional bank. That is because online banks have a much lower overhead than brick-and-mortar banks. It means they can pass higher profits on to you. One famous online bank is CIT Bank, which pays a much more competitive rate than many traditional banks. Having a high-yield checking or savings account can be an excellent way to earn consistent passive income. Again, the returns are low, but they are a steady way to get free cash back. Passive income isn't just for the wealthy. Everyone has to start somewhere. Do not let a lack of knowledge stop you from achieving your goal to have passive income, even if you want a lot of it. Decide on the way that seems right for you. Then get to work earning some passive income. Number 6. Earn income from affiliate marketing. Do you have a blog or website? Or are you thinking about starting one? Many blog owners make money by selling affiliate links on their blogs. It is a great way to earn passive income online. Here's how it works. You link to a product or service on your blog. Then, when somebody purchases that product or service through your link, you get paid. Websites are easy to start too if you don't already have one. In fact, I could show you how to create a blog in less than 10 minutes. Do you want to know? Let me know in the comment. For the blog, you'll need to get a hosting service for your blog so you can see it on the internet. But that's inexpensive when you get a deal. Blogging can be a great way to make money from home. You need a computer, internet service, and engaging content on your blog. Let's move towards our final words. Whereas none of these ways will make you wealthy overnight, they can slowly, consistently become productive. In case the cash doesn't flood in right away, stick with it. Maintain a strategic distance from get-rich-quick schemes, as they are designed to make somebody else rich by fleecing you. Moreover, be careful of spending cash you cannot manage to lose to form a passive income opportunity. Remember to include income from passive streams on your taxes. To make it simple, keep good records from the start. Ideally, we would all find a way to win passive income, whereas we're sleeping. Cash we may then use to save for crisis and contribute to our futures. So, guys, I think you are action takers. If yes, please subscribe to our channel with the tons of updated videos we are uploading here on Upstep Financial to help you make money. Thanks for listening to us.